So there's no special arrangement that we, somehow the implication is that we have to ask for permission or that we have to give up some of our rights. And that's not the case at all.
Walang special agreement o arrangement ang Pilipinas sa China tungkol sa rotation and resupply o RORE missions sa BRP Sierra Madre na nasa Ayungin Shoal. Paliwanag ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., ang ginagawa lamang ng Pilipinas ay mag-abiso sa nagiging aktibidad ng barkong lumalayag na isa ng standard practice.
What we actually do, we talk, there's been talk about a provisional agreement. But essentially what the Philippines does is that when we are going to conduct a resupply mission, we issue what is known as a NOTAM, which is just a notice of your maritime movements, that our ship is going to go from here to there, and they will stay here, and we stay there for 2 days or whatever it is, and then come back. And that is the extent of it.
Ang ibinibigay na abisoan niya ay hindi para sa isang partikular na bansa o grupo, kundi para sa lahat na naglalayag sa West Philippine Sea.
It's just an arrangement to inform not any specific country or group or vessel, but everyone who is in the West Philippine Sea that the vessels from the Philippines are going to sail from this place to that place on this date, and that is all. So that there is no confusion that these are unidentified vessels.
Kaya naman ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, walang ginawang anumang hakbang ang pamahalaan upang pahinain ang posisyon ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea.
Does not weaken, there you go. It does not weaken our position in any way in terms of the arbitral awards, in terms of the UNCLOS, in terms of our exercise of our sovereign rights, in terms of our defense of our territory. And so it is just a practical, it is a standard practice for all vessels that sail to issue the NOTAM.
Samantala, positibo naman si PBBM na magkakaroon ng magandang resulta ang negosasyon sa joint oil and gas exploration ng Pilipinas at China. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, matagal na rin naman itong pinag-uusapan ng dalawang bansa at nabigyan diin muli ng magkaroon ng krisis sa enerhiya dahil sa pagsiklab ng tensyon sa gitnang silangan.
Where are we at now? I think we have moved forward. There were several issues from the beginning that we are slowly working through, and I can see a distinct possibility that there will be such joint exploration.
Hindi pa makapagbigay ng timeline ng Pangulo kung kailan ito mangyayari, ngunit kumpiyansa siya na ito ay maisa sa katuparan. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.